Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and you are watching here to my live stream. I'm streaming this stream live on Twitch 24 hours, 7 days a week, and you can see here 6 cryptos, and you see here the daily chart of each crypto. You see here on the upper left side the Ethereum chart, and that's the chart we would take a look about now. We would now take a look about the Ethereum chart because it's very important what's now happening. You see here we have this red triangle forming here. We are in the 1 hour chart, and as you can see, Ethereum is now breaking this red triangle. Very important. You can see Bitcoin has a sell signal here. That's the last signal for Ethereum. And Ethereum is breaking through this red line here. The red line was our support here, this triangle, but Ethereum broke it to the downside, and that's a bearish sign. The last hope here for Ethereum is this hash ribbon band. You can see this hash ribbon band is this band with these lines here, these green lines. And Ethereum is now fighting here in this ribbon band. Maybe we see here a retest, but this outbreak of this triangle was about some hours, and you saw here the outbreak, then the green lines up. Here was a buy signal, and Ethereum fight it back against the ribbon band. We saw here a retest of this triangle, but here is the sell signal. Ethereum failed the retest here of this triangle, and now you can see the dump here from Ethereum. Now a little fight back, but I'm sure we will see now a very, very, very nice dump. I don't know if a dump could be nice, but if you are shorting now Ethereum, it's nice for you. So make here a parallel channel from the highest points here to the lowest point. So we can see we are forming here a downtrend channel. A downtrend channel is always red. Red is blood, red are the beers. So we make it red, and we make the lines red. So you see here in the 1 hour chart we are on a downtrend here, and possible to reach here the bottom of the downtrend, and we can set a price indicator here to the here on this side to the downtrend channel. You can see it's about 1645. That's a possible target here to reach very quick here to this because of this dump here and because of this breakout from this triangle. This is a triangle pattern, and in a triangle pattern, you know guys, we can make here a target for this outbreak. Let's turn off these indicators. Let's turn off the buy and sell indicator. Let's turn off the EMA ribbon band so we can see here clearly this pattern. You see guys, we have here a shoulder pattern with a maybe double shoulder, and now we are breaking out. So we have two patterns here in one chart. It's very interesting. This is the shoulder, the head, and this is a shoulder, and maybe we are forming here a little shoulder, a double shoulder. That's possible. And now we may break out from here. In a shoulder head shoulder pattern, the interesting thing is this is an inverse shoulder head shoulder pattern. So in an inverse shoulder head shoulder pattern, we had to break out to the upper side, not to the downside. So don't forget, this is an inverse shoulder head shoulder. We're coming from downside, and if shoulder head shoulder would work out, we would like to go to the upside and not to the downside. So in this possibility here, this pattern, this shoulder head shoulder pattern cannot play out because we are breaking it now to the downside. So the triangle is our target. We are watching at it, and now we would like to make here a line from the highest point to the baseline, as we always make, and we will take this line to the breakout here. The breakout was definitely here. The retest was here. So maybe, and that's the technical here, the target of a breakout of a pattern is this point. And I know guys, if you are long on Ethereum, if you would like to see Ethereum going up and up and up, that's not the perfect target for you. I will become a thumb down. I know, because the guys who are longing Ethereum would like to say, God, Biti, what are you trading? What are you telling us? We would not like to see this point here. Okay, I personally would not like to see this point here, but that's the target, the breakout target of this triangle here. 1467, 76, sorry. So that's one point. The EMA ribbon is another point we saw here in the hourly chart. Ethereum is now here in this ribbon. Okay, let's take a look here on the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart may told us more here. So here we are. We are here in the 15-minute chart. Very interesting is here with my indicator. We see here the long position. We see a short position. We see now a long position here, and we are retesting here the red line, and now we broke this hash ribbon, and I'm sure we would see a short position nearly here because we are under this red hash ribbon band, and Bitcoin could may down very soon here, more and more and more. So that's the 15-minute chart. Let's take a look on the 4-hour chart. Zoom out a little bit of Ethereum. What do we see here? It looks a little bit confusing what we are watching here. But in the 4-hour chart, you see here now this hash ribbon band. And the interesting thing, and that could help maybe Ethereum to not break down here to this point, is the 4-hour chart with the hash ribbon band. The Ethereum is fighting here on this hash ribbon band. That's the good thing momently for Ethereum, that we are fighting. Ethereum is fighting against this first line here, against this hash ribbon band. The first line of this hash ribbon band, I can show you, is always the MA35, I think. Let's take a look at this. I would not tell you nonsense here. Maybe we can take a look at the settings, or no, we cannot. Why? Don't know. Why I can't see the settings here? Should be a problem. But the highest point of this is this, the last MA is this, and as you can see, Ethereum is fighting on this EMA line here. That's the positive point. If Ethereum will break through these lines here, through this hash ribbon band, it could be very bearish here. So guys, I think that's all you have to know. Maybe some other thing, where are supports, where are possible supports for a bounce here up again. It's not so difficult to see. You can see here the last candle, it was here. You can make a line from here to here. And that's our next support we can see here. We can make it green. And this is a main support here for this Ethereum. And you can see it's about 1,680. 1,680 is a big support for Ethereum. I know that. And maybe we see here a bounce off. If we're breaking this support, we're coming down to this downtrend line. Next support 1,650. And if this pattern will play out, you see it here. The deepest point, 1,476. One thing I would like to see here is Ethereum versus Bitcoin, because that's for me one of the most important things if I am trading Ethereum. Let's take a look. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. That was the wrong. Here is the Binance Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Okay. Let's take a look. This is the 4-hour chart, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And in another analysis since yesterday or about 2 days, I showed you here this downtrend of Ethereum. And I said, so long if we are in this downtrend, I would not trade Ethereum. As long as we are here, I would not trade it. If we are able to go up here, if we are able to go up here from this downtrend to break through here, that would be a good sign. But now we have some problems. That's the 4-hour chart, and you see the hash ribbon band is here over. It's the resistance. It's here over this candle, and you see we are in a short against Bitcoin. So why to hell should we trade Ethereum with these bad signs? I would not. I would wait if we can break this line. That's a very important line. Maybe I can see it now on the ribbon band. No, sorry. I think that's the EMA 200 on the 4-hour chart. A very important line here. And as I said, we are in the short here. We can draw this downtrend channel now to this candle here, because that was the last candle here. And as you can see, we are fighting now on this downtrend channel. Ethereum is fighting now. So we do not need to go deeper here. It's possible that Ethereum versus Bitcoin will go down from here. It's very possible, and it's possible that Bitcoin is forming out a triangle, and we may see the triangle target. Guys, that's it about Ethereum. I hope you understand all what I am saying here. If not, please visit my channel. I would ask your questions there. It's live on Twitch, Crypto Trading Informant, and it's my other channel. It's Bitcoin Trading Informant, live streaming on YouTube and also on Twitch. I'm there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I never sleep. I'm always there. I have a nice community there. Feel free to ask anything you want to know, and we will help you. Guys, make it good. I hope we'll see us again. Bye bye. Have a nice time. Greetings, your Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant.